Hey y'all, welcome to Cooking on the Farm. This is our German Shepherd Steel Bullet. Super friendly dog. Anyways, let's go in and make some cookies. Alright, let's go make some food. Welcome y'all to the Ohio Buckeye Bake-Off Challenge. Hey y'all, welcome to Cooking on the Farm. This is a collab video with the Ohio Buckeye Bake-Off Challenge. This is a keto challenge that there's a number of us involved in, and this month we are doing keto low-carb cookies. My cookie that I'm doing is a raspberry thumbprint cookie. All right, let's look at our ingredients and get started. The ingredients that you're gonna need: 1 egg beaten, a half a cup of salted butter softened, 2 cups of super fine blanched almond flour, a pinch of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2/3 cup powdered sweetener of your choice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of finely chopped walnuts, 5 tablespoons of your sugar-free preserve, and your oven needs to be preheated to 375. All right guys, so what we're gonna do is we're going to beat this egg up. I guess we can add our vanilla in here. All right, I'm just gonna get this egg beaten up. It doesn't have to be perfect, just combine. All right, we're gonna dump our sugar in here, and like I said, whatever alternative sugar you're doing. Salt, make sure you don't dump everything in the same spot, and my baking powder. Give this a mix. And I did sift my almond flour, even though the packaging does say super fine, there were still some super good sized chunks. All right, dump your egg in. Make sure you get that whole egg out of there. Yum, yum, yum. And put your softened butter in. All right, and then just get this mixed up. Now that I've got it most of the way mixed, I'm gonna clean up my whisk and switch to my spatula. Right. I'm gonna clean up my space and we'll be right back. All right guys, I'm gonna take off my ring, my wedding ring, to do this because I don't really want batter in my ring. All right, so the size of cookie that these are gonna be is about 1.5 inches. And so you want to make a round ball. Oh, I forgot to put my nuts, your chopped nuts, on a plate. Yes, Gigi. You're going to take your little dough ball and you're going to press it in to, bless you, your nuts, and then put it on your cookie sheet. I'm going to continue doing these and we'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, so I realized after I was so gung-ho about rolling these around in the nuts that you're only supposed to put the nuts on the bottom half. So I have 3 without walnuts, which is okay because one of my kids doesn't like walnuts. So this works out. So these are now gonna go into a 375-degree oven for 8 minutes. And this is a crucial point because after 8 minutes, we're gonna add our raspberry jam. All right, 8 minutes and we'll pull them out. Okay guys, these have been cooking for 8 minutes. They are still super soft. If I touch it, it is just squished still. So this is raspberry. Technically this is supposed to be done with strawberry. I don't have any strawberry jam. So I'm gonna use my homemade raspberry jam that I made last year from my amazing neighbor, who also gave me the beautiful white flowers in the background. So anyways, you're gonna take a teaspoon, you're gonna make a little well, and you're gonna drop it in. And I'm just gonna continue doing this to all of these. And they kind of puff out a little bit. That's how they're supposed to go. All right, I just finished filling these guys. So again, the jam that I made, I followed the little packet of homemade, how to make homemade jam with a low sugar jam, but I used my Swerve sweetener. All right, now let's stick these back in the oven for another 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes, we'll be back. Oh my gosh, they smell amazing. Okay guys, so these need to completely cool. And by completely cool, I mean cold. Because I don't know if you can see, they are super soft and squishy. Like if I pick a cookie up, it's gonna explode everywhere and just not be pretty. So we're gonna let these completely cool on the cookie sheet, or you can put it on a cooling rack. And we're just gonna let these guys chill here for a good half hour. And then we'll be back for the tasting. We'll see in a little bit. My cookies are cool enough to touch, or to eat in my case. All right, let's take a big bite. Super moist. Perfect crunch. All right, guys, don't forget, this is a collab video with the Ohio Buckeye Bake Off Challenge. So go check that out. The information will be in the description below. All right, I'm gonna finish my cookie and my dance. See you next time on Cooking on the Farm. This is a collab video with the Buckeye. Oh my gosh.
With the Buckeyes.
Clean out my spatula and take off my ring, my wedding ring, to do this because I don't really want batter in my cookies. Or